Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. Today we will be solving two questions. Let's get into the first one. Find the value of k where f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus kx minus 1 gives the same remainder when divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2. We have to remember that the remainder theorem tells us that if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. So the first thing we'll look at is we'll use the remainder theorem on 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus kx minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we will use this remainder theorem, so we can plug x is equals to minus 1 into our equation, and we'll get 2 minus 1 cubed plus 6 minus 1 squared plus k minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 cubed is minus 1, plus 6 times minus 1 squared is 1 minus k minus 1, which will give us minus 2 plus 6 minus k minus 1, which in turn gives us 4 minus k minus 1, which is equals to 3 minus k. Now that we have this as our quotient, we can now solve for x minus 2. So we'll do the same thing. We have x minus 2, therefore x is equals to 2. We can plug that into our equation. Q plus 6 2 squared plus k times 2 minus 1. This gives us 2 cubes is 8 plus 6 times 4 plus 2k minus 1, 16 plus 24 plus 2k minus 1, and then this would give us 40 plus 2k minus 1, which is equals to 39 plus 2k. Now that we have these two, we can just equate them to solve for the value of x. So therefore it's going to be 3 minus k equals to 39 plus 2k, which gives us 3 minus 39 is equals to 3k, which gives us minus 36 is equals to 3k, which gives us k is equals to minus 12. So that's the value of k, where f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus kx minus 1 gives us the same remainder when divided by x plus 2 and x minus 1. That's your answer. Now let's look at part B. What are the possible values of a if x minus a is a factor of x squared plus 3x plus 2? So just a reminder, if x minus a is a factor of x squared plus 3x plus 2, then the remainder of this equation would be equal to 0. Therefore, f of a is equal to 0. So what is a here? So we just write that as a, and we can substitute that into f, which would give us f of a equals to 0. Now let's solve this. So this is a squared plus 3a plus 2 equals to 0. Now that we have this, we can factor this, and this would give us a plus 1 and a plus 2, which means that a equals to minus 1 and a equals to minus 2. It's possibilities of a. So therefore, the possible values of a are minus 1 and minus 2. And this is our answer. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.